Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Well, hello everybody, today's video is regarding the Zontes 310M. The video is in English subtitles to help you along. And like all scooters, the front fork tubes, stanchions, whatever you want to call them, are not full length. Meaning full length up to the handlebars. As you can see from this picture of the Zontes 310M scooter, the forks come up from the wheel, go to a section, and then they go up on a steering column. The steering column has an upper connection nut, and then going down has a lower adjusting connection nut, three nuts, and they have roller bearings in there as well. So this is actually, you probably never have to do this unless you thought your steering from your handlebars to your front wheel wasn't correct, and then you could adjust the nuts and make them tighter as necessary. You need special tools to do that. You'd have to go to either a Zontes dealer or a good motorcycle shop maintenance place that has a motorcycle repair place that has specific tools to do the job. And like I say, you probably never have to do it because it has three adjusting nuts holding it all in place on the lower part and the upper part of the steering column. This is Man Mick. I hope you're all enjoying the videos. Please like, subscribe, join our journey where you can if you haven't already subscribed. I'll let you carry on watching the video now. For all your 310 owners out there, this is good to know how to do certain things. So please look in our playlist. There's lots of videos in our playlist, and they're all different model playlists and in different languages as well. They're in English, French, Spanish, Arabic and Chinese subtitled videos. So whichever country you are in, you should be able to find what you need to do for your model of bike of Zontes. There's over 1,700 videos there now. So please spread the word. If you know anybody who has a motorcycle, a Zontes motorcycle, and they will be interested in looking at the videos, how to maintain their bike, etc., then please pass the word on. Man Mick, I'm going to sign off for now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all later.